All right, I just pulled these large coils, 12 volt coils each off of the this black Norton. They were here. The ignition systems require 6 volt coils. I mean, they'll run with a 12 volt coil, and it's okay to use a 12 volt coil, but you don't need a 12 volt coil. And all this wiring is kind of a mess anyway. So I bought new 6 volt coils, the small ones that are supposed to go on these bikes, and I'll be putting those on in a few minutes, or today probably anyway. In the meantime, Kevin's working on a T25. It is a bad coil, and he needs a big 12 volt coil. And this is a big 12 volt coil of no value to this bike. So I'm going to make the arbitrary decision to just give Kevin the this 12 volt coil for the little T25 he's working on, and he'll be here shortly to pick it up. So I'm giving him this for the T25, and I have a brake switch that he needs for the T25. I'm giving him that. That's brand new. And this big hose clamp, shall we say. It's actually made for heating ducts, but I'm going to give him this to hold the battery down in that T25 as the battery hold down. So he'll be here shortly, and he'll take these 3 parts back to his shop to continue on the T25. I got the pump back from AMR, the modified new pump. I'm going to put it on this bike, and I'm going to then do a 24-hour leak test like I did last time and see what happens. And in the meantime, I'll probably work on this bike today. Here's the master cylinder. I'm still waiting on a brake switch. Here's the master cylinder body, so I won't put that together yet. But I do have a whole bunch of parts in here that are going to be for this bike. In the meantime, dad joke of the day, bad dad joke of the day. I believe today is the 17th. I took the weekend off. So the bad joke of the day, bad dad joke of the day. Okay, another real goodie. Why did the man put money in the freezer? He needed cold, hard cash. Okay, that's Saturday, January 17th. Oh, this is Monday, 17th, Sunday. Oh, I skipped a lot of days. Here we go. Today is Monday, January 19th. Why do teenagers prefer odd numbers? Because they can't even. Why do teenagers prefer odd numbers? Because they can't even. That one's so bad, even I don't understand it. Oh, let's go ahead and do the 2 that or the one here. What game are tornadoes best at? Twister. Okay. And they got a maze. Okay, like I say, these are really bad jokes. Sigh. Okay, let's see if it's getting you better. I have a suspicion. Well, I have a suspicion. Okay, so Kevin will be here shortly to pick up parts, and I've got the heater going, warming up the garage, and I'll do some work out here today on this bike. I also have to unload the RV and put it back in its parking spot, so that'll take some time this afternoon when it warms up some. That's it. Later.